I've almost been here. I've almost been here 9 hours. Sorry, 8 hours. 8 hours. 8 hours. 8 hours. It's 10 o'clock at night. You guys give great customer service, but someone up the line is not doing their job. What's the name again of the area manager? Puto Palaniepo. Puto Palaniepo. Like that? Okay. Because they can't refuse to speak to me. This is customer support, no? It's a brand new phone. A brand new phone. It's not 6 months old, not 7 months old. It's brand new. Fucking swap it. Am I asking too much? Am I actually asking too much? I've sat here and sat here and sat here and sat here for hours. I've got a broken arm. This is not a joke. I don't even have painkillers here. And my money, I come all the way here for nothing. 3-hour taxi all the way here, 3-hour taxi all the way back. To get home at 1 in the morning. You guys, you also live far. This isn't right for you guys either to be here at this hour. Can you please tell me what's happening?
Hello? Sir? Hello? Sir, I'm
And I buy Samsung because it's a big brand with customer service.
சொல்லுங்க சார் சரி ஓகே சார் சரி ஆயிட்டு சரி ஓகே சரி ஓகே சார் சரி சரி ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார்
Can you please tell me what's happening now?
Sir, tomorrow morning only replacement is possible.
Tomorrow morning only?
Yes.
I told you hours ago I have 1 day here. 1 day. That is it. I've just paid thousands to come here. You tell me now at 10 o'clock that tomorrow you can replace it?
Tomorrow definitely.
No, but there's no tomorrow definitely. I'm not here tomorrow. I'm not here. I can't pay again to come to... I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. I told you that hours ago. Why could this not be replaced now? Can you write a slip that I take it to some other shop in Chennai?
No.
In the airport?
There is some procedure, formal procedures for replacement. We cannot go directly to buy, set directly to dealer.
You can send me directly to a dealer?
No. We have some procedures.
But I'm not here for your procedures. I bought a brand new phone. I'm not here for your procedures. I'm not here. I told you. I phoned you.
You please understand my position. We are only for doing the service, not for replacing.
I'm complaining to Samsung. Please, can you give me my phone? I'm leaving. I'm leaving. You guys cannot fix my phone. You must please write me a letter saying that this was not fixed. IME is not working.
No, sir. For our visit, we do not give any letter to you.
So now you're not giving me a letter
Yes,
to
sir.
say that you changed the PPE.
No, I will just give you the number to you. Please talk to them. Talk to the higher officials. They will provide.
So I have a cell phone now that I bought that I can't use.
Sorry?
I have a cell phone that I spent money on and I can't use it.
Sir, I understand your situation. You also please understand my situation.
But you knew my situation hours ago. You could have told them 6 hours ago at 6 o'clock when you come back and it doesn't work. It's now 10 o'clock. It's 4 hours, sir.
Yes, sir.
I understand what you're doing. I appreciate what you've done.
No, sir. After itself, I told you. Please wait, sir.
Please wait. I've been here since 2 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock. This
Yes.
is fucking insane.
Yes, welcome.
So please, give me my phone right now. I want a letter saying that you don't have IME and that now I'll go to Samsung International. Now this becomes big. So please give me my cell phone and write letter saying what happened. I sat patiently for 7 hours. Patiently. I did not fight, I did not do anything.
You also please understand my situation.
Okay, so I need a letter from you saying that there's no IME, that I have a phone that can't be
No,
used.
sir, IM is there. We
So you cannot do what?
set is not booting.
And now it's not even working like this.
Yes.
So nothing happened. I spent money and 10 hours for nothing to happen on my phone? Yes, you're telling me yes. Thank you very much. This is all recorded and this is going to Samsung.